evening. My name is Farah Kashina Adeliminti Helmi.
And my name is Muhammad Danish Daniel bin Rahman. Today we bring you a compelling case of property dispute unfolding in the heart of waterfront Kuching City involving two prominent business owners. Let's delve into the details.
Thank you. There's the scope Miss Dina Rimon for her delectable Sarawak layer cakes operate a bustling cloth shop in waterfront Kuching City. However, adjacent to her establishment lies Borneo souvenir shop owned by Mr. Fahim. For years, there has been a continuous issue growing between the two establishments. It's revolved around a sign of the wall of Miss Dina shop which encroached some 4 inches into the airspace of Mr. Fahim shop. Matters escalate when Miss Dina replaced the original sign with a new one, extending an encroachment to whopping 8 inches into Mr. Fahim's space. Despite Mr. Fahim noticed the removal, Miss Dina stood firm in her decision.
Hi Miss Dina.
Hi.
I would like to discuss with you about the new sign that you put in your store.
Oh, yeah. What about it? Is there any problem?
Yes, I think this is my problem because the new sign encourage about 8 inches into the airspace above my store. It's quite a bit more than the old sign, which already encourage 4 inches.
But this is the new sign that I replaced, but I don't think there's a problem here.
Although the old sign has been here for a long time, I've realized that it's still a problem for me. The new sign, which is larger, only make a issue here. I would like to ask you to take down this sign and replace it with a new sign that not encourage my area.
I think you're just overreacting here. There's nothing problem here. So, just do whatever you want. I don't care.
These disputes raise significant legal concern, particularly regarding trespass and property rights. The installation of the sign into Mr. Fahim's space without proper authorization constitutes a clear trespass. In light of this development, Mr. Fahim sought legal recourse by filing for an injunction compelling the removal of the sign. Now, the pertinent question remains: what lies ahead for Miss Dina and Miss Fahim? Will an amicable resolution be reached, or will the dispute further intensify in the corridor of justice?
Indeed, a riveting tales of property rights and legal intricacies. Will we continue to monitor this case closely and bring you to the latest update as it unfolds? Stay tuned for more on the developing story. Mr. Fahim, we understand that you are concerned about Miss Dina's sign that passing into your airspace. The law is clear that property is right extended airspace above your shop.
Yes, I have tolerated the old sign, but this new one is too much. It's affecting my shop visibility and I want you to remove the sign.
We review the situation and it does constitute a trespass. Miss Dina has no right to use your airspace without consent. We can send a formal letter requesting the removal of the sign. If Miss Dina refuses, we can proceed with a legal action to enforce your right.
Mr. Fahim is within his right to seek an injunction for its removal. Ms. Dina should consider the legal implication and option available to resolve the issue promptly and fairly. So the court judgment has been decided. Here are the legal considerations and advice for both parties. First, trespass and erosion. Trespass occurs when one party unlawfully interferes interferes with another party possession of property. In this case, the sign contrary to Mr. Fahim's space constitute a trespass. Nature of erosion. The initial 4 inches erosion and subsequent 8 inches erosion both constitute unlawful interference because they exceed Mr. Fahim's property boundary. Secondly, legal rights and remedies. Mr. Fahim writes, as the owner of the adjacent property, Mr. Fahim has the right to have space above his property up to a reasonable height. Any erosion beyond the these boundaries without permission constitute a violation of his property rights. Injunction. Mr. Fahim has the right to seek injunction, which is court order requiring Ms. Dina to remove the sign. An injunction is a common remedy in cases of property trespass where monetary compensation may not be adequate. And lastly is legal advice. Mr. Fahim continued pursuing the injunction through legal channels. An injunction will compel Ms. Dina to remove the sign or cease the erosion. Ms. Dina considered negotiating with Mr. Fahim to reach a resolution. This might involve relocating the sign or agreeing on compensation for erosion. Legal advice should be sought to understand the consequences and options available. In conclusion, the erosion of Ms. Dina sign into Mr. Fahim's space constitutes a trespass. That's all. The case is closed.
That's all from us. Before that, we're gonna show you some example of cases.